Še enkrat dober večer. Lepo pozdravljeni na prvem slovenskem tekmovalnem programu letošnjega FeKK. V današnjem večeru smo pogledali 10 kratkih filmov. Slovenski tekmovalni program je zelo zaznamovan z eksperimentalnim filmom. Priča smo enemu boomu.
Pravzaprav tako imenovanemu boomu, ja?
Tako imenovanemu boomu eksperimentalnega filma. Okay, thank you, Barbara. Thank you, Mattea.
And may I add that she's really, really good at making the atmospheric sense of the working space was really totally different before. And also when she arranged the house, actually on the first shooting day I didn't want to go in for the first hour because it was so creepy in a way that everything is stuck in moment in time in the past.
Congratulations once again for the film, and thank you for being here.
I'm actually really emotional about this whole process and film because it's a huge part of our family story. Because she lives like this for the past 25 or almost 30 years. And I never really understood why, and I actually still don't, but I think it's really connected to all the tragical events that happened to her, because her 2 sons and husband died from cancer, and I think that this house really connects her to her family and her life. So I think that was the key why.
I made this short movie for the application for Talent Salary Film Festival, so I didn't have any idea, so I just got out one day in the evening and shot some stuff. And then I thought about this folk song from YouTuber, and I put it together. So.
Yeah, and also it was a challenge to get this atmosphere that we wanted to get. So it was like that we were also taking out some of the dialogue to say a lot with even less words than were written.
When I started, like, I saw this card, and then I was like, I want to do something with that object that everybody uses it, like everyday object, and like somehow put a life in it and like change the way we perceive the card.